Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today's video I'm going to be making this trinket tray, this moon and star trinket tray. Stay tuned in the video to find out where you can find this mold, and thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll get into this. Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be working with these molds that I picked up on Amazon. I do have them added to my resin links in the description box below, so you can check those out if you want. They're a nice size. It is a moon and a star trinket tray, kind of like that. And so I'm going to be working with that today. And I have a few ideas on alternative uses for this that I may cover in a future video. But we're going to get started on this. So when this mold came, it did not have any kind of instructions as far as how much resin to use, etc. So if you have a mold like that and you don't know how much resin it takes, what you can do is simply pour water into your mold and then either pour it into a measuring cup to find out how much water it takes. Or you can take a measuring cup with a certain amount of water and pour the water in until it reaches full, and then kind of, deduct how much water you used to find out the amount that way. So just a little tip there. But if you do use water in your mold, make sure that you pour it out and make sure that it is completely dried. You can use some canned air to spray it out. You can let it set for a little while and let it evaporate, but you just want to make sure there's not any little drips and drops of water down in there, because resin does not do well with water. So by doing that method, I determined that this mold takes approximately 150 milliliters of resin. So I'm just going to mix up some resin. I've got two different colors of mica powders here from Marblers, and one of them is Candy Pearl. It's kind of a purple pink shift almost, and then this one is a blue black pearl, and it's kind of a midnight blue with some sparkle to it. So we're going to try that out and we're going to see how these molds turn out. I think this is going to be fun. So today I'm going to be using the last of my MakerPoxy from Total Boat, and they have kindly offered to send me some more, so I'll have lots more videos coming soon, and looking forward to getting that and making some more things. Okay, so it's the next day and this is cured up, and I'm really excited to open this up. I love the kind of shift happening here and how all the black kind of run into it, but that might just be on the bottom, but we will see what it looks like. This is going to be a challenging mold, I think, to demold, but yeah, we'll find out soon. I like it. That's kind of cool looking. It's got all kinds of little like color bands through it, which look kind of cool. They're almost like tiger eye shift bands of colorant. I love how the edge looks kind of like a really cool. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks kind of cool. I like how it just kind of I don't know if you guys, oh, there you can see it. How it just kind of like goes from the dark to the light, and it just looks kind of cool. I dig that. I like how I did it here too. Too cool. Yeah, like there's like these cool little stripey things happening here. That's really cool looking too. I love how it just kind of almost looks like drip pattern into the edge. Too cool. Okay, I really like this mold. It's such a cool mold. I like the size of it. You can actually use it to put stuff in, you know. Yeah, that's a pretty cool mold. That has a lot of potential, I think. So, yeah, I like that. All right. Now I have one more little demold here. Had enough to pour some extra so that the amount that I had mixed up originally was for resin, and then after I added the mica powder, it, you know, made it more, so I had a little bit extra. Let's see if I can get these out of here. This mold is challenging in and of itself. No joke. Hey, that looks kind of cool too. Check it out. I love how this one looks. It's always so shiny. I love that purple to black and then black to purple. Cool. Let's try to get these out of here. If you don't know, this was my first mold that I made using some crystal beads and some crystals, quartz crystals, and you can see that video in my video links. It was a challenge. I actually had a big mold fail and got mold material, mold silicone everywhere, all over myself and my desk. It was pretty funny, but I was able to save it last minute and work quickly to get this one poured, and so yeah, I'm still using it. Wiggle. That was bigger than it seems. So yeah, got that happening. I do like that it has like some black spots and the purple. I love how it kind of like, you know, makes it look like it's all inside. So that's kind of cool. I like that. Fight, fight, fight. And it is snowing out my window right now. I'm going to pause and show you guys the snow. You see this, guys? It is April 20th and it is snowing. You can see this tree outside my window with all the little buds on it and the newly formed leaves. It's supposed to frost really hard, so yeah, that's probably going to kill off all that new growth. But yeah, it's it's snowing. It's snowing. That's why I'm in here doing some resin crafts. And then, yeah, so these are dandelions that I picked out of the yard this morning. Because I want to try putting some dandelions in some resin. But yeah, I had to go out there and grab some before the snow destroyed them all. So yeah, look, you guys get to see my messy desk. But yeah, I'm going to keep trying to demold this thing. Alright. Okay, let's see if I can get this out here. This was a single one, I think. Or just a small one. Yeah. It almost matches my fingernail polish. Yeah, this is kind of cool. I like those. So then those will make a good cluster on something. I don't know. What do you think? Should they go in my tray here and make a cool cluster over here? What do you think? Should I stick them in my tray or not? You guys comment down below and let me know what you think. Should I put them in my moon tray somehow? Somehow, some way. Obviously the bottoms need to be trimmed so that they fit, but perhaps, maybe something like that, perhaps. I don't know. Maybe that's just too many. Maybe not that one. Maybe just these. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I try to incorporate those somehow into my tray since they're the same color? Anyway, that's it for today's video. I've got some fun things coming up, and I have an idea for a way to use this mold in an alternative way, so stay tuned for that. I've got some Disney bounding videos coming up, working on some costume pieces for that, and lots of other things, so stay tuned. I want to thank everybody for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and for giving me just so much support. I appreciate each and every one of you. So I hope you guys are having a warmer day than I am, and I'll see you guys in the next video.